my back, Mike. Well, I'll tell you what, we are going to show you a trick to relieve your low back or mid back pain very fast.
Now, most people do back pain exercises lying down or in a bed or standing up, but we're going to show you how you can do it in a seated position, which is easier for most people.
That's right. All right, there will be a couple of things that you should have around the house that you need to do these in a seated position to relieve your back pain. And it is simply a stick, like a broomstick or a mop stick, 4 to 5 feet long, like Mike has there. You could use a piece of PVC pipe. You could use a doweling. I'm using a booyah stick. They work very well. And a chair, a firm chair is best, not a soft recliner chair that would be in your living room. So kitchen chair typically works well. Let's go to town, Mike. No, I mean work.
What town? Now, if you also experience low back pain while sitting in a chair, you want to be comfortable while doing these exercises, so we recommend placing a pillow behind your back, the vertical style here, and that will give you some nice lumbar support, give you nice posture, and should help with the pain before you start exercising.
Actually, you can use a pillow anytime you have back pain, just like we have it here. It can really offer some support and help your back feel better in and itself.
So now we're going to show you 3 60-second options to help stop your back pain. Pick which one works for you. You will see which one relates to which issue you may be having.
Well, actually, the first one is typically if you are having back pain in this area, the mid back pain across both sides of your back. Now, Mike is going to do it with a broom or the mop handle here. I'm going to do it with a stick here. Now, doesn't matter which chair you're in. Again, it's a firm chair is best. You may want to put it on the chair like that. I'm going to put mine on the floor. It all depends on what works best for you. If you put your stick on the floor and it's a slippery surface, you can remedy that simply by taking a shoe, put it down, a shoe with a rubber bottom, and that will keep it from slipping. It's vital that that happens. Now, we're just going to sit up, bring your hands up on the stick as far as you feel comfortable. And what we're actually going to do is apply some traction or decompression to the low back. And the way that's done is just leaning forward and relaxing your core and allowing those muscles to get stretched and the back to decompress. Hold it for 15 to 30 seconds. Initially, you may only just give it a couple of seconds and then come back and do the rock on, rock off. And that works very well. It should feel good relief. If it does while you're doing it, hold it longer. But I would never go over 30 seconds. Mike, do you have any more additional comments?
Just make sure when you grasp it, have a firm grip. You don't want your arms sliding down as you go forward. You won't feel that nice stretching in your back muscles when you grasp it firmly and pull down towards the chair while keeping your butt planted.
Right. Actually, I had a patient. I told him to do this exact same exercise. He came back 2 days, and he says, it's not working because I did not emphasize. Hold it tight. He was allowing it to slip through, which was not allowing the decompression. All right, let's go to the next option.
Okay, this next stretch is very similar, but it's if you have one-sided back pain. So if I'm having back pain on my right side, I'm going to place the stick on my right side. Again, I'm going to keep it on my chair for this height. Brad will just keep it on the floor. You're going to reach up again as high as you comfortably can with your palm facing away from you. Grasp firmly, and then you're going to slowly start leaning towards that side, and you should get a good stretch feeling in there. Right. You're going to hold it for 20 seconds. Up to 30 seconds and repeat it 3 times. You only have to do this one on the painful side.
That's right. So again, relax. You may not want to start as high as you can. Just gently work into it with a lower grip, stretch, and then progress up as the stretching feels good. So right on that side, with single-sided back pain, it's a good option. All right, and the third option is if you're having back pain, not low, but between the shoulder blades up in here. We're going to show you a nice, easy stretch in the chair. And let's sit down, Mike. What you're going to need now, you can use your stick. You can use a throw pillow or a soft, squishy ball. The whole idea is we're going to find 3 different options that will extend the thoracic back to get that posture back in. This can be real successful. If you use a throw pillow, you're going to put it right here. Don't let it drop down to the low back area. Lean forward, Mike. Not down here, but it's going to be up. There you go. And we call it the Mike, I think, patented this with us, is the hallelujah stretch. Arms go back like that. If you have shoulder pain and that is uncomfortable, simply cross your arms like that and work it as possible. Again, this is important right here, that thoracic extension we call. Mike, can you give some more comments?
Do we have to yell hallelujah while we're doing this?
Well, that is optional, but we'll let them decide.
If you want, you can grab a stick of sorts and you can just grasp it whatever width is comfortable, and then you can just extend like this. Now this stretch is okay. I personally kind of like the ball back there because you can get a little more arch going in my back anyway. And then just extend back, and oh, that feels good. Get a nice core stretch here.
It's one of those stretches you should you benefit from whether you have back pain there or not. Prevent future back pain in the upper back.
So you're gonna do thrive 3 to 5 repetitions. I combined them there, and you can hold it for 10 to 30 seconds, whatever feels comfortable for you.
And I do this throughout the day, every couple hours. Now, one thing I find is if I spread my arms wider on the stick. But it's up to you. It's a personal thing. You keep getting in my way, and
I know.
I need to have my camera time. All right, very good. All right, so with these exercises, you're only going to continue with them if they offer relief while you're doing it, as well as after you get finished. And then if that's the case, you're going to repeat them every 2 to 3 hours every day until the back pain resides and goes away. Mike, we have some more exciting news.
If you want to check out more videos on back pain, we have one right here. This is a different technique than what we just showed you, so if you want to try that as well, give it a shot.
That's right. It's doing very well, and it's a nice video. It is.
I'm not in it.
No, of course not.
Dang
Mike's not in it. They might want to watch it now.
Maybe.
Bob and Brad, the 2 most famous physical therapists on the internet.